In today's short video, I want to give you an update on my broken suspension. Yes, that broken suspension. Because YouTube algorithm won't leave me alone. Hi, my name is Peng. I am a photographer and I am a travel addict. And in today's video, I want to address a video I posted 2 years ago. All because recently, YouTube's algorithm is suddenly serving it up to people again for some reason. Quick recap, my suspension broke 2 years ago. It was fixed very quickly and the fundamental issue was addressed quickly. So I forgot all about it and never posted an update. But recently there seems to be an uptick on the views of that video, and there were a lot of comments blaming the installation. I don't think that's fair, so I want to address it once and for all. Just to be clear, I did this installation at our van in the Bay Area, and this is the Van Compass suspension kit. I'm not sponsored by anyone, and nobody paid me or pressured me to make this video. In fact, nobody even told me to take that original video down. I mean, it's been 2 years and it's still up. I'm making this video because I'm actually very happy with the installation and the product, and I want to be fair to those companies. So what did happen? Well, the original factory bolt broke. It didn't fall because it wasn't tightened properly. It just snapped in half. In fact, our van put Loctites on the screw, so they had to spend a lot of time drilling out the snapped off bit that was still stuck in that hole. What exactly caused it? Well, Mercedes probably never intended for this suspension to go hardcore off-roading. And I think it was just bad luck because I do a lot of off-roading. When this broke, I had the suspension set on 2, which is not the softest setting. So it probably broke when I hit a hard bump. At the time, I wasn't the only one who had this bit snap off. So fortunately, VC was already working on a solution. And they came out with the Baja bracket right around that time. So that's what I ordered and installed. And I'm happy to say that after 40,000 miles of on-road and off-roading, including my trip from California to the Arctic Ocean, this bracket and the suspension had performed perfectly, and this repair was covered under warranty, even though the bolt that snapped off was a Mercedes part. I'm very happy with the product. I'm very happy with the installation our van did. In fact, I've gone back since the suspension incident and done more work with them, like the large Sprinter gas tank installation, and I've been happy with those installations as well. So do you need reinforced suspension on your van? Well, I think that's going to be something case by case. I do take this van off-roading a lot, and based on my driving style, I'm glad I have this bracket. If your van leans heavy and you tend to go off-roading, then I would definitely consider this addition. But if you have a fairly light van and you only take it off-road occasionally, then you'll probably be fine with the standard installation. So that was my quick update on this broken suspension and my personal opinion on these two companies. I hope it helped answer some of your questions when you're choosing your suspension upgrade and your installer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.